Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today I look like, from this particular portion of my eye, I look like a peacock. And okay, so for today's video, if you have seen already in the previous video when I reviewed the Desert Dusk palette, and by the way, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it above. So in that particular video, I showed you three particular palettes that I bought that are actually the dupes of Huda Beauty palettes. So one I reviewed already, and the second one, blah, and the second one is right here, right in front of you. Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. Tan -ta -dan. The vibrant colors, the vibrant eye. Created this particular look with this particular palette, and if you want to see how I did it, let's move into this video. Let's see how this palette really is. Let's see the tea. Let's go. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected, and just follow me everywhere. Okay, so this is what Diwali sickness looks like with all these acne on my face. My skin is having a hard time right now, so I've already done my brows and I have already primed my lids. So we are going to start with this particular palette. Now, looking at this palette, you're going to see these are all vibrant colors. You know, this palette is like full of vibrant colors. So you know, it's almost like a rainbow palette, and the only color that I don't see is green. So other than green, we have this total rainbow palette, vibrant rainbow palette coming over here. So of course we are going to have a very colorful eye today. So let me start off this particular pink color, right? And we are just going to work it over the crease over here. And yep, let's start. Taking my transition brush, taking this particular pink color, and we are going to see how the transition for this particular palette is, because the Smoky Obsessions one was bomb. So yep, let's see. So right now I'm just working on the crease, and you know, honestly on the camera it's not showing up the way it is actually showing in the real life. So I think I would rather start off with the crease brush first. So I'm taking this on the crease brush, and yep, the brush is fully coated. So the reason why I didn't really go for like a base makeup already was because I know there's going to be a lot of fallout because these are very vibrant colors. So yep, smart me. So I'm just going to take it over the transition brush again, and so I am only keeping it above the crease. We are not going down, only above the crease, because we are going for a half cut crease. So yes, we are doing this. I think I should go with a tapered brush. Okay, so pink color is already laid in the place. Now I am actually going to take I think we are going to go with orange color, or maybe the yellow. I think orange. I'll go with the orange, and the rest of the crease where there is no pink, I'll put the orange. If you are afraid of colors, I'm sorry. This video is just not for you today. I have blended this orange with the pink color. So now I'm just going to take this yellow, and we are going to take this yellow, which is actually a little powdery, and we are going to blend both the pink and orange into our skin seamlessly. So this is our transition shade. And I'm using a very tapered brush because we need precision. So let's cut the crease first. So we are going to cut it in this kind of a winged liner shape. So what I'm really going to do is I'm just going to take this pink again, and we are going to also put it over, you know, our inner corner. Then moving into orange. Okay, so this palette has 3 shimmer shades, and I think this particular color, I should go with the purple one because in purple and pinks go good. So I'm just going to take the purple one and we're going to put it over the lid. So, taking the tapered brush, moving into orange first, blending in the purple, then blending in the orange with the pink. So I think I'll do my wing liner first. So I'll fix my liner later. First of all, let me just dust all this fallout that is all over my face right now. And let's move into the base makeup first, and then I'll fix the liner, everything else. So starting off with my Blue Heavens primer. So today I decided to have a base makeup right in front of the camera because I think you people have not seen me doing a complete base for a while now. So yep. Starting off with the foundation, I'm going to go with my Maybelline Fitme and my Coloressence. I'm going to mix these both because this is way too dark for me. I never really put foundation down my neck, but today I had no option than doing this. Dude, I look so bad. So going on with my Maybelline Fitme concealer, and I'm not going on the chin. I have acne over here, so I'll leave that over here a little bit. Although I don't need it so much today, but my contour stick from Maybelline and contour. Taking this and setting everything down. Okay, so I'm going to highlight now. Taking my WetnWild highlighting palette on my brush, giving it a good swirl. Move into the palette again because we have a lot to do still in this look. So I am actually going to take this palette and taking this yellow color, and we are going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Show up here, and we're going to blend it above where the orange blends into yellow. Blue eye pencil, and I'm going to line my bottom lash because I want to give it a sticky surface maybe. Prominently, these 3 colors are left from this palette, so we are going to move into these 3 shades, and I'll be taking this particular color and over this particular portion, half of the eye, we are going to stamp it first. So this particular portion is only for this color is only for stamping, so we're going to stamp it. Okay, so this has already been done. Now we are going to move into this particular color. I'm going to go with this particular brush, taking this particular color, and we are going to smudge the darker color, right? So this is a very pretty color, and you can see how vibrant it has, come across. So yeah, I love it. So I think this is pretty nice, and it looks really, really cool now. Now we are going to go in with this blue color, and the rest of the portion we're going to put this. We are going to have a colorful eye. I'm going with a tapered side and into this very icy blue. Actually, I think I need to spray it with the setting spray first so that it can stick properly. Wow, I mean, I would darken it up a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty cool. Now going on with our mascara, and then quickly Pokemon, quickly popping up the lashes. So I am going to take this particular lipstick from Kiss Beauty in the shade 1, and we are going to quickly pop it on. And topping it up with my mask, my favorite. I mean, I can never live without this. So this is the final look, and you know what, it is a very colorful look, and I must say I'm loving it. So this particular palette, as far as this particular palette is concerned, let me come to the palette. Now, to be honest, these shimmer shades, you know, three of these, and this particular color, and even this orange, and I would say yellow to some extent, yes, these colors, they were like absolutely wonderful. The only color that disappointed me a little bit was this pink, which I feel was a little chalky and did not show up as bright as it should have been. But you know, to be honest, if I look at this particular look and how these have performed on this particular eye look, I would say this palette only for rupees 300. I mean, with this pigmentation, I would say I know that this is going to be like one of the prominently used palettes of my, you know, channel. Yeah. So okay, if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.